Volkswagen Amarok, stock from the second 106. It's ran from the second 2010 to the 9th 2022. This is a CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo engine. Left front 17-inch factory Amarok tyre, left-hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory Amarok tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory Amarok tyre. Right front door one dent. Right-hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory Amarok tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. In the console red, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,